What's the difference between groups and departments? Groups contain team members from multiple departments. A group is bigger than a department. For example, front of house is a group that includes front desk, van drivers, and food servers. As a starting point, your default groups are front of house, heart of house, and food and beverage. You also have the option to edit and create custom groups. Why create custom groups? For years, hotels have been creating custom groups manually to add to the excitement to Catch Me. For example, Homewood Suites by Hilton Omaha Downtown had a surfer-themed Catch Me and created groups using surfing lingo. They had groups called the Rippers, Dudes, and Kahunas. Team members from different departments were assigned to different groups. You could also create groups based on movies, television shows, sports teams, or superheroes. The possibilities are endless. You can find more ideas and inspiration for group names at catchme.hilton-recognition.com/pages/groups. The Tally website lets you assign team members from different departments to create custom groups. Creating custom groups can help remove the barriers between front and heart of house and encourage team building. To get started, you'll need to click the Edit Create Custom Groups link on either the My Dashboard page or the Team Roster page. By default, you will have 3 groups: Food and Beverage, Front of House, and Heart of House. You will be able to edit the names of these groups, but you cannot delete them. You cannot have less than 3 groups in your list. On the Edit Create Custom Groups page, you will see an Edit link next to the group name. Click the Edit link to change the name of the group. Change the name of the group and click the Save button. The revised group name will now display in your list of group names. Note that group names will display alphabetically. If you would like to add more groups, click the Add Group link. Then type in the new group name and click Save. Your new group name will now display alongside the others in your list. If you would like to remove a group name, you can click the X on the line with the group name you would like to delete. However, you cannot delete a group that includes team members. You will have to reassign team members from that group to another group. To assign a team member to a different group, click the Team Roster link in the top navigation. Find the team member on the list that you want to reassign and click the Edit link for that team member. Here you will be able to change the group for that team member by selecting the name of the group from the drop-down list. Click the Save button to reassign the team member to a new group. If you change the names of the 3 default groups, team members assigned to those groups will show updated group names. You will not have to do anything to change team members' groups you have already entered. If you are using your team roster from 2018, you will not need to reassign team members unless you are creating new groups. One of the great things about using custom groups is you can assign team members from the same department to different groups. In the past, you had to assign an entire department to a single group. So, for example, all of housekeeping had to be assigned to Group A. Now you have the ability to split up departments and assign team members within the same department to different groups. Below, you can see where we've split up housekeeping into 3 groups. Use this optional functionality to help equalize the competition. Since not all departments have the same amount of guest interaction and guests account for a lot of catches, having groups that include an equal percentage of front of house and heart of house team members can help level the playing field. Note that groups will not display on your dashboard until team members have been assigned to that group and catches have been entered. Please let us know if you have any questions about editing or creating custom groups by emailing us at catchme@hilton-recognition.com or by clicking the Contact Us link at the top of the Tally website.